The job is too much, and it's like 4 or 5 people's work into one. And I think it's very unfair. And because the pay is so low, I have to do 2 jobs that make me very tired. One job is from 5 in the morning until 9 in the morning, and the other job is from 3 until 11 at night, and they all 5 days. Because I'm having this eye problem, and they still force me to use all this chemical, which is so dangerous to our health. The chemical is so strong. When you pour it, especially in the toilet, it gives you a sense that when you inhale it, you feel like you're gonna pass out, and then it gives you this redness. Sometimes you are dizzy as well. The doctor gave me a letter. It doesn't help. They are saying better if either you do the job or you leave it, but the job have to be done. And they can get what they recovered from the doctor, but they're so scared to take it out the workplace because then they will get rid of them and say they're not fit for the jobs. They want to get rid of us because they can use 0-0 contract or just use 1 or 2 people to get the job done.
I do this job almost 18 years now. I don't have a benefit there. I don't have a benefit for them. I don't think I can't come. They will not pay me the money for the day I don't work. If you sing for a week, they will pay you only 2 days. My shoulder is full because I want to throw the rubbish. It's heavy. I can't do the job I'm supposed to do before. I will do 5 days work. No, now I do only 3 days now.
It is so dangerous, especially with the women when they are pregnant. The use of the chemicals, especially in London, they use very strong chemicals that can cause problems for the newborn. And we have a lot of miscarriages in our members in the workplaces.
I think they can go for a lower chemical, which is probably cost them a bit more, but because they wanted to buy all these cheap things to make all these profit, so you know it's very bad for health. And I think I deserve respect and I deserve a better pay.
When I first watched Safe, it made me really fucked off. Some people might even say I got triggered, but I actually think that when we feel discomfort and when we feel emotions like anxiety, it's actually a useful thing sometimes. And what we can do is we can walk into that anxiety, we can walk into that discomfort and work out what it is that's actually happening. And this is where all of this performance comes from. The piece that I made is also very much about the anxiety of class struggle. It's a site-specific piece which is created for the Picture House because, as many of you know, there is a dispute going on at the moment. The cleaners are not victims. The cleaners are doing fucking amazing work out there with strikes. They're winning a lot of action. Strikes work. And the cleaners are some of the most precarious workers in the UK. And they've got together and they've united and they've struck and they've had their wages and conditions improved. So there's a lesson in that for everyone. Thank you very much.